time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. So as a part of our campus placement program, so today we are going to see logarithms and its applications, right? So most of the students doesn't know how these logarithms are used in different topics, right? So I will be helpful to show you how these logarithms are useful to crack various concepts and also its applications. Now before going to start, let me introduce myself. This is Enroll Sharma, and I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. Now when you use my code NLN10, apart from the 10% discount, you will get guidance from me, as I have dealt more than 50,000 students plus till now for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE till date. Is it only me? No, you will get my entire group guidance. 1 second. One second. You will get my entire group guidance right from Bhima sir, right, Vishal sir, finally to me. Now as you have seen in the video, the difference between plus and iconic, the major advantage in iconic is you will be getting a personal coach now who will be a guide up to your interview process, right? You will be getting the best study material, booster sessions, every test you will get analysis. Now let us suppose if you are going for plus, hi Manoj, and if you are opting for GATE and ESE, and if you are going for 24-month subscription, it will be the lowest cost for you 1650 rupees per month. On an average it will be 50 rupee per day. So when you use my code NLN10, you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 27,225 for 1 year, and this is for 18 months and 24 months. And for Iconic it will be 45,225 after 10% discount, and this is for 1 year. This is for 2 year price. Now on Unacademy, more than 3,000 members are following me, right? Do download the app, as I have done videos for CAT, UPSC, GATE and ESE, right? Even for the Vizag Steel examination which has happened on January, right? So this is the link to follow me on Unacademy. Do try to use it. Chalo, let's start the topic there, and see here you will be seeing a new type of logarithms today, not your orthodox topics, right? So let's see the things there. So first of all, there is a connection between exponents and logarithms. Let's see the basic logarithms, and then we will go back to its applications. Now observe it. Now most of the 99% of the students know how to deal exponents. Now let us see, if I write down like this, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Now this is exponents. How can I write down this in logarithms? Please let me know. So I'll write down like this. So this is base. A value is base in exponent. Am I right or wrong? So I'll write down like this. A value is base in exponent, and 0 is power in exponent, and 1 is your answer. Now how it will change in logarithms, I'll write down in writing, right? Dekho either log base A, your base has to be written here. Dekho either your answer value 1 has to be written here, and is equal to 0, power has to be written as your answer. So logarithms deal in powers. This is what I want to convey to you. Logarithms deal in power, right? And you can convert this into exponent also. So can I write in irreversible manner? This is called conversion of logarithms to exponents and exponents to logarithms. So all the exponents can be converted into logarithms in the same pattern. Ab dekho, can I write down like a to the power of m into a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m plus n. Am I right or wrong? Yes. And in logarithms, what happens here? Log m into n is nothing but what? Is it nothing but base, log base a here. Log base a m plus log base a n. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. Done. So in the same way, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m minus n. So I can write down the same thing like this. Log base a m by n is nothing but equal to log base a. So we deal only in powers in logarithms. Minus log base a n. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. And one more term, right? Everybody know log a to the power of n. If I take like this, can I write down this as n into log a? Basic logarithms. And you have to know one more point called here interconvertibility of logarithms, right? If I write down like this, log base a b. So how to convert this? I can write down this as log b divided by log a. So you can take common base, right? So I can take it as c here, c here. Now this is nothing but called interconversion of your logarithms. Now I think everybody is clear up to now. So with this basics, I will be solving most of my questions, right? A to the power of minus 1, everything. There is no need to write all those things. We need applications of this, right? Ab dekho, see here, I will show you one application there. So see here, you wrote like this, log a to the power of n is nothing but log n log a. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Am I right? And dekho either, if nothing is given, we always write your logarithms in decimal places only, right? So log base 10, this is common value. Clear? Hi Ram Shankar, yes, hi. And dekho, one more example, can I write down like this? 10 to the power of 1 is how much, ma? 10 to the power of 1 is how much? 10. Now convert them into logarithms. Can I write down like this? Log base 10. 10 will be equal to 1. Is this your answer there? So this is what you write there. Your base and normal value, if it is equal, you write the answer as 1. Normal logarithms, right? Well, let us see the applications more, right? How it is used. Ab dekho, I wrote one application here. Now everybody know binomial theorem, a plus b whole to the power of n. Now if I tag logarithms there, it become what? Log a plus b whole to the power of n will become n into log a plus b. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Ab dekho, there is one application of binomial theorem called your compound interest formula. Can I write down like this? Amount is equal to, I'll write down the formula, then you please let me know the things happening there. Is it principal into 1 plus r by small n divided by 100 whole to the power of capital N. Now closely observe there, the underlined thing is in the format of binomial theorem. Am I right or wrong? A plus b whole to the power of n. Now can I use the same concept of logarithms here? Yes, I can use. Okay, fine. Right, a plus b whole to the power of n. So observe here, can I use the same concept here? Ab dekho, I'll show you one thing there. So in compound interest, I have an amount called P in my pocket. Now this amount called P became 2P in 4 years. Let's take like this. So at last 100 rupees became 200 rupees in 4 years. In compound interest, I am speaking about in compound interest. Ab dekho, the same P will become 16P in how many years is my question. 16P is my question there. So if you write down in normal format, observe there, your amount is 2P. I'll write down in reading so that you can understand it. Your amount is 2P, principal is P, 1 plus, nothing is given, so annually, compounded annually only, r by 100 whole to the power of 4. Is this your answer there? Now PP gets cancelled. 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of 4 will be equal to 2. Now let's come here. 16P. 16P, can I write down this as 2 to the power of 4P is equal to P into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of capital N. You are asked to find out capital N there. Am I right or wrong? Now P gets cancelled. In the place of 2, can I substitute 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of 4? Yes, I can substitute the same thing, r by 100 whole to the power of 4 whole to the power of what is the entire thing left over there? The exact power is 4. So how many years will it take? 4 into 4. Your bases are equal, powers are equal. So your question mark, your answer will be 16 years. Will you accept this? Now dekho, what I am doing right now is, in the place of 1 plus r to the power of r by 100 whole to the power of 4, I am writing in logarithms. Is it 60 years? No, you are 16 years. 1 6. How can it be 60 years? 1 6. In the place of PP cancels. In the place of 2, I can write down 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of 4. This is what I wrote there. 1 6 years. Now I will write down the same thing in logarithms. Ab dekho, the point here is, I will write down this as log A. I will write down this as log B. Ab dekho, see here. Initially, in order to have log A, let us take A years. Ab dekho here. for 4 years. So this I will take it as log A. So to convert final years into log B, then how many years will it take? This is my question there. Merely crisscross this. Capital T is equal to small t into log B by log A. अब देखो, I will write down here clearly, log B is nothing but, this is log B, this is log B, now this is log A. Am I right or wrong? Initial change, because I am writing in logarithms. So use the same concept, you can easily get it. T is equal to, initially what is the year change? 4 years. 4 into, I can write down log B as 16 p na, can I write down as 2 to the power of 4 divided by log 2. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. Double na 2. So देखो, can I write down like this? 4 into 4 log 2 by log 2. What is your answer finally? Let me know the answer there. Is it the same 16 years you got? You got the same 16 years. So your final time period changes, right? देखो इधर. So an entity to become log A, it took small t years. An entity to become log B, it took capital T years. Now your agenda is to find out capital T. Already you know this value as 4 years. You know this change as 2 times. You know this change as 16 times. And you are asked to find out capital T. Is this nothing but the application of logarithms in compound interest? And everybody know exponents can be converted into logarithms, right? Compound interest, the growth will be exponential manner. Am I right or wrong? So these exponents are converted into logarithms. Now this is the formula, right? You might have not seen this type of formula in your contemporary textbooks for your compound interest calculations. Do try to do it in an innovative way as we are doing this concept. Is it clear? Now already in the alligation rule concept I have given you one more thing in mixtures, right? We have seen one more formula. What is the formula there? I'll write down the formula. Final concentration is equal to initial concentration. How many of you know replacement and replenishment of the mixture? Initial concentration into 1 minus x by v whole to the power of capital N. Now the things what I have written in the bracket is exactly in the form of binomial theorem, a minus b whole to the power of n. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. So what is the difference here? Here the point is, so देखो, you have a alcohol, let us take alcohol and water mixture. Now you are taking out alcohol, in the place of alcohol you are replacing water. So the alcohol concentration is decreasing down. That's why the value here I have written as subtraction, right? Now in your compound interest, when you gave 100 rupees, you are getting 200 rupees or 1600 rupees back. That's why you have written the formula as plus there. As the value is increasing, the binomial theorem expression value will also be increasing. As the value is decreasing, the binomial theorem expression value has to be written in decreasing format. I think you got the difference there. Is this called replacement and replenishment mixture? This is one more concept, right? In the same way, you can use logarithms in exponents, algebra, geometry, everywhere, arithmetic progressions, geometric progressions, right? So I will show you one question in one topic, right? Let's crack it. Replacement and replenishment technique. So let's today solve the questions regarding this. Let's see how many can solve this. I got some wide variety of questions today. And this is the question asked, right, in one examination. Log tan 1 degrees into log tan 2 degrees into log so on up to log tan 60. In between you will get tan 45. Now tan 45 is nothing but how much? 1. So log 1 is nothing but how much? Is it 0? अब देखो log tan 1 into log tan 1 degrees into. Now you will get here somewhere around log tan 45 degrees and into somewhere last you will get as log tan 60. Now already you have calculated this log tan 45 as how much? Is this the one value 0? Yes. So 0 into any value, your answer will be 0 and your option is none of this. Is it clear now? Please let me know, is it clear? I think you understood the thing point there. Let's move on to the next one. Let's see. Now the point given here is, I'll write down, those who cannot observe it, I'll little bit expand this. This is the question asked. Find E. If log E is log E, next one, log 3e by 2 and comma log E into 10, E plus 10 are in arithmetic progression. It seems we have done numerous questions in this format, right? So I'll take this as a comma b comma c. A comma b comma c are in arithmetic progression. So automatically first term plus last term divided by 2 is equal to your arithmetic mean, that is called your middle term b. So I have to write the same thing there, log 3e by 2 is equal to log e plus log e into 10, e plus 10 divided by 2. So can I write down directly like this? So because here this 2 will go like this, 2 into log 3 by 10, 3 by 2, sorry. So this is in the format of log m plus log n. So finally I can write down this as log m into n, e into e plus 10. So finally can I write down like this? So I'll write down here 2 into, this is in the format of n log a. Can I write down this as log 3e by 2 whole square is equal to log e square plus 10e. Yes, I can write down like this. At last finally log gets cancelled down. Finally you will get a quadratic equation. Am I right or wrong? 9e square divided by 4 is equal to e square plus 10e. So what is the answer there? 9e square is equal to 5e square, 4e square plus 40e, which is nothing but 5e square is equal to 40e, and your e value is equal to 8. Am I right? Or otherwise you can write down the same thing. Yes, you can write down the same thing in quadratic equation format also. Dekho either this is quadratic equation only, your product of roots is 0. 5e square minus 40e will be equal to 0 and you will get the roots there. In the same case also you can do it, that's not a big deal. Okay, and this is your answer. So let's see one more question. So I will solve this. From the next one I will be giving you time, right, because usage of same logarithms. So see the question asked. So I will write down the first term like this. So can you observe this? Shall I expand it little bit? This is the question asked. Okay. I will write down the first term, log base xa. So log base xa. Can I write down this as a normal case only na, log base ax, okay, plus is there any terminology to write down there? Can I write down this as, now let's see this one and then we will check there. So log a, log base x square a can be written as log a divided by 2 log x, which is nothing but equal to 1 by 2 log base x a. Am I right or wrong? Can I write down like this? I can write down like this now, which is more easy for me, right? So देखो here at last the final equation becomes like this: log base x a plus 1 by 2 log base x a, and the next term will be 4 na, 1 by 4 log base x a, so on up to infinity it seems. So I can take down like this. I can take log base x a as common, and देखो इधर the terms will be 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus so on up to infinity. Rather than using differentiation principle, this is very easy. Now closely observe there, the bracket is in the format of infinite geometric series. S alpha is equal to a by 1 minus r, and your a is 1, r is 1 by 2. Am I right or wrong? A is 1 and r is 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, and your answer is 2. Finally your answer will be 2 log base x a. Or otherwise I can write down the same thing as, there will be many options. This was a question which was asked in one examination where MSQs are there. Can I write down the same question as like this: log base root x a? Is it right? Please let me know, yes or no. This bracket value is 2 log base x a. I can write down this and I can write down this. Am I right or wrong? Can anybody say, is this true or not? Yes. So you have to merely clearly observe the options also, right? The options are in multiple choice, options are given there. 2 log base x a is right. Log by base root x a is also right. Done. Chalo. Right. So let us see how many can solve this. Already I made you to solve this type of question for GATE 2021. I don't know how many of you remembered this. So let's see, 2 minutes. P and Q are positive numbers, it seems. Positive matlab it is not 0, it is not negative number. And log base 3, 4 plus log base 2, P is given as 2. Log base 4, 4P plus 16 log base 2, Q to the power of 4 is given as 4. Then find the value of P plus Q. Let us see how many can answer this. Manoj, your brother. So each question is unique. I am not repeating the same question. So diversified questions are there. Do try to attempt. Seconds more. $36. Yes, Manoj gave me the answer. 17:46 the time is. Oh, just now you have answered this. What about your brother? So dekho, I'll write down this equation, then automatically you can understand the equation what we are writing on the right hand side. Log base 3 into 4 plus log base 2 P is equal to 2. Now I will convert this into exponents. Can I convert like this? 4 plus, now this is base, this is answer, this is power, this is answer. So 4 plus Okay, log base 2 p is equal to 3 square 9. Am I right or wrong? This is base, this is power 3 square. So log base 2 p is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 5? Yes. And देखो इधर this is base, this is power, and this is your answer. So p is equal to 2 to the power of 5, which is nothing but equal to 32. Now let's come to this part, right? Log base 4. Some parts I am substituting it, right? Already you know p as 32. So 4 into 32, right? 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. I'll write down this as 128 plus 16 log base 2 q to the power of 4 is equal to 4. So I can again convert them into exponents. 128 plus 16 log base 2 q to the power of 4 is equal to 4 to the power of 4. Is it 256? Yes, it is 256. 256 minus 128 will be again 128. 16 log base 2 q to the power of 4 is equal to 128. Now can I write 16 ones are 16 8s are? Am I right or wrong? Yes. So q to the power of 4 is nothing but equal to 2 to the power of 8, and I can write down q to the power of 4 as 2 square whole to the power of 4. So powers are equal, I can make my bases are equal. Q is equal to 4. So my p plus q value will be how much? Is it 32 plus 4? 36. Scared of these questions. Why? These are easy questions now. 36 is your answer. That's the thing. Right. I want you guys to answer this question here. 2 minutes. Same pattern. You are asked to find out x value. For x comma y is greater than 0, find the value of x. If log base 0.5 x plus log base 4 y is equal to minus 1, and xy is given as 4, it seems. So if anyone gives the answer, I'll end the poll there. So you have to convert the entire equation into x format, because we are asked to find out x question only, right? Value of x. Is there any internet issue? Please let me know. Is there any internet issue, right? I'm checking for the internet slots. Yes, am I audible? Yes, I'm audible. Sorry for the delay, right? So the internet gone, so I've changed it. Yes. Observe the question given there. Log base 0.5x plus log base 4y is equal to minus 1, and you are asked to find out xy is equal to 4. So what I will write is, in the place of y I will substitute x by 4 wherever I get there. So 4 by x, sorry. Can I write down this as log base 1 by 2 x. Can I write down this as minus log base 2x? Because 1 by 2 I can write down as 2 to the power of minus 1. This minus 1 will come to the left hand side. I can write down the equation like this. Please let me know yes or no. So finally, can I write down the equation like this? Minus log base 2x minus log base 2x plus, in the place of log base 4, in the place of y, I will write down 4 by x is equal to minus 1. And I can write down like this, right? Minus log base 2x. So see here, I can write down this as a to the power of, so this is m by n, I can write down m minus n, log 4 base 4 minus log base 4x is equal to minus 1. So this value is already 1. Am I right or wrong? So can I write down the same equation like this? Minus log base 2x. Now once closely observe, there 4 can be written as 2 square and it becomes 1 by 2. Am I right or wrong? Minus 1 by 2 log base 2x. Am I right or wrong? And this 1 goes to the right hand side, will become minus 2. So here this entire thing will become minus 3 by 2 log base 2x, which is equal to minus 2, and both will get cancelled. So at last finally the equation will become log base 2x is equal to how much? Is it 4 by 3? Yes, it is 4 by 3. And see here, this is base, this is power, and this is x value. X is equal to base 2 to the power of 3 by 4. Am I right? Sorry, 4 by 3. So I can write down this as x is equal to cube root 2 to the power of 4, which is nothing but 16, and this is your answer. Clear? Normal basics, my logarithms can be easily solved once you are very strong on the basics. Right. So this I will solve it. Now the question asked is then the sum of all possible solutions, it seems. So when you closely observe there, it is a quadratic equation. So can I write down the same equation like this? Log x minus 1 divided by log 9. So I can write down log 9 as 2 log 3. Is it okay for you? Yes. Is equal to, can I write down like this? Log x minus 3 divided by log 3. Yes, I can write down like this. And in your denominator, log 3 gets cancelled off. So I can write down this as log x minus 1. So see here, this 2 goes to that side, which becomes 2 log x minus 3. I can write down directly as log x minus 3 whole square. Am I right? Yes, perfectly. So log gets cancelled. X minus 1 is equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x. Now you will get a quadratic equation there, x square. So minus x minus 7x plus 10. Right. So what are the roots there? X minus 5, x minus 5, x minus 2. अब देखो x is equal to 5, x is equal to 2, but देखो इधर you cannot substitute 2 there. If you substitute 2 minus 3, your answer will be negative value. In nature there are no negative logarithms. Every logarithm value will be positive only, right? And again see here, so 5 is valid, 6 is not valid, and you will get only one value for x, and the answer will be 5. Is it clear? So you cannot add 5 plus 2 and write the answer as 7 here. The possible solution is x is equal to 5 only. X is equal to 2 is not valid. Log minus 1, there will be no negative answers, right? Clear? Is it done? Yes, perfectly done. Right, let us see how many can answer this algebra based logarithms question. 2 marks. This question was asked in an examination once. So be active and do try to solve. That's an easy question here. Let me know the answer. 1 minute. At 90 seconds is the ample time to solve the question mark. Any answers? 40 seconds more. So do try to hit the like button, right? Those who are watching the video, try to hit the like button, right? It will be helpful for your friends, those who want to watch the class. No answer. Manoj, क्या हुआ? Easiest one यार. देखो यार, L, M, N are non-zero real numbers. Non-zero real numbers means it has to be positive without any negative value, such that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to LM plus MN plus NL. Then the value of log LM by N square is equal to answer. So can I write down like this? So see here, I will write down like this. I'll write down directly like this. I will multiply 2 on both sides. I will multiply 2 on both sides. So by multiplying 2 on both sides, can I write down like this? L square plus M square plus minus 2LM plus L square plus N square, because 2 L squares are there, 2 N squares are there, minus 2LN, NL, plus can I write down like this? M square plus N square minus 2MN is equal to 0. Am I right? So dekho, I'll bracket down the things there. So when you closely observe there, the brackets are in the format of a minus b whole square. Am I right or wrong? L minus M whole square plus L minus N whole square plus M minus N whole square. Am I right or wrong? Is equal to 0. Now when will this condition get satisfied? When your L is equal to M is equal to N. Am I right or wrong? Until unless it will not get satisfied there, so automatically take any value there. Log, yes, very good. Log, let us take L is equal to 1 into 1 divided by 1 square. At last finally it will be 1. Log 1 is equal to how much? It is 0. And your answer is 0. That's it. So those who know this conversion can easily solve this, or otherwise they will take more time to solve this. So done. I think I am clear. Yes. Again one of the best questions. So I will be giving you 2 minutes. Try to answer this. This is normal numbers question. Normal number system based question. Just yesterday only I have explained you progressions. The same progressions based question in logarithms. Right? If I got logarithms yesterday only, you might have got confusion. So that's why I got this question today by explaining logarithms. Let's see how many can solve this. A series P is defined as P is equal to 1 by log base x 10 plus 2 by log base x square 10 plus 3 by log x cubed and so on. And again one more series Q is given there. If P by Q is 21, it seems, then the value of N is the question asked. Okay. Any answers? I think many students are not interested to solve the question, right? So see here, if you are sincere and serious, try to put your pen on the paper. Automatically you can understand what mistakes are you doing, then you can restructure yourself. Or otherwise, if you don't write anything, then automatically we feel that we are superior and we know everything. Ram Shankar is saying that it is 31. Is it 31? Let's see. So first of all, I will write down this term here and then I will convert the entire terms in the same format. So देखो इधर I will be writing the 1 by underline thing. I am writing the underline thing. Once check there. Can I write down the same thing as log 10 by log x? Yes, I can write down like this. And finally, can I write down like this log x by log 10? So if I write down as log x by log 10, so please let me know what is the thing there. Log x by log 10 can be written as log base 10x. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So देखो, I will write down my series P here. Series P is equal to log base 10x. Yes, Shankar, right? Can I write down this as, देखो इधर, how can I write down this as? So this becomes log base x square 10. Am I right? Is it clear? Yes. So 2, it becomes 4 log x 10. So then this becomes 9 log base 10x, so on. Am I right? Yes. Now when you closely observe there, if I take common log base 10x, what are the values left over? 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus so on. This is nothing but sum of n squares, right? So sum of n squares, can I write down the same format what we have learnt yesterday? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Is it okay for you? Yes, perfectly, because you are asked to find out n value only. Now let's see this value, right? Q value I'll write down. I'll write down this expression here, then I'll write down the complete expression on the next slide. So 1 by log 10 divided by, again this also can be written in the same format. So by this, what will be this value? Let me know that, right? So log base 10 1 by 2 by log x. So at last this will be 2 log base 10x. Am I right or wrong? Yes, this will be 3. So finally, what will be your Q series? Q series will be this log base 10x plus 2 log base 10x plus 3 log base 10x, so on. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. Yes, perfectly. So can I write down like this log base 10x 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to n terms. So what will be this one in the bracket? This will be sum of n natural numbers, everybody know, which is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. And in the given question you are given with P by Q. P by Q is 21, it seems. So P by Q is equal to log base 10x into n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 divided by log base 10x n into n plus 1 by 2. Is this the question asked? Yes. At last, finally I can cancel down this, n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1, and P by Q is given as 21. Is it 21 or something value? 21 only, right? 21. So finally, can I write down like this? 21 is equal to 2n plus 1 divided by 2 by 6. Is it 3? Yes. This is how much? 343. 2n plus 1. So 2n is equal to 42. N is equal to 21. So Ram Shankar said that it is 31. How can it be 31? Oh, sorry, 31 only. I am really sorry. I am wrong. This is 63. This is 63. Yes. Calculative error. Yes. So 63. This is 62. Your n value is equal to 31, and this is your answer. N value is 31. So in this entire calculation, there is no hyperbolic thing that you have to forward. Those who write down answers, step by step perfectly can easily answer this question. Right, sum of n natural numbers, yesterday only we have dealt this progressions concept here. Done. I think I am clear. Yes. So let's see how many can answer this. Again, algebra based question. 2 minutes. So I little bit extend this to understand for you. Yes, I think you can see it clearly. Let me know the answer there. That's an easy question here. Those who know basic algebra, those who are very strong in 7th and 6th class mathematics can easily solve this. Or otherwise it will take time. Am I right? Manoj Kumar saying that it is D. Okay. So Ram Shankar also gave me D, right? So I am ending the poll here. So Reddy brothers are answering each and every question. What shall we do? What about the remaining persons? Right. So see here, I will convert the equation like this. Ab dekho, can I write down the same equation like this? Log x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by log x square minus y square. Yes. So we know one formula, right? I can write down one formula here. So what shall I write down there? See here, x square plus 2x plus y square na. So is this nothing but a plus b whole square? Yes, perfectly it is a plus b whole square. The underlined format is nothing but in the format of x plus y whole square. Right, I wrote one more step extra. So can I write down this as 2 into log x plus y numerator, and the denominator is in the format of a square minus b square log xy into log x minus y, and I can write down like this 2 log x plus y plus log x minus y. Yes, I can write down like this. So finally I can write down the same equation like this here. Will you accept this? Please let me know. Can I write down like this? 2 divided by 1 plus log x minus y divided by log x plus y. Yes, I can write down the same thing like this. And do you know this value there? Yes, you know this value there. This is given in the question itself. Dekho, the question can be written as, if the equation given there log x minus y divided by log x plus y is nothing but given as 3. So substitute merely 3 here, your answer will be 2 by 4, and where there is 2 by 4, give that option, and option number D. Done. Very good. This is a normal easy question here. So dekho, I will solve it like log tough questions first you have to solve, easy questions I will solve, right? So this is in the format of log m minus n. So I can log m minus log n. So I can write down this as m by n, 10 factorial by 9 factorial. So automatically 10 is equal to 1. Finally what did become there? Log base d 10 is equal to 1. Am I right or wrong? And you are asked to find out d. D is base, 1 is power, and answer value is 10. So their d value is 10. Am I right or wrong? A normal easy question here. This is also very easy. So देखो, I'll little bit expand this so that you can understand the same pattern, right? What we have done in the previous case only. So can I write down this 1 by log base to 10 as like this? 1 by log 10 by log 2. 1 by log 10 by log 2. And I can write down the same thing as log 2 by log 10. And I can write down the same thing as log base 10 2. Am I right? At last finally, no here it is not a, log base 2 base 10 10 plus log base 10 3. So log base 10 4. This is the equation, so on. So I can write down, this is in the format of log m plus log n plus log q, right? I can write down that is log m into 2 into 3 into 4 into so on. So there is no need to add 1, even though if you add 1 you can finally make up this the same. This is in the format of factorial, n factorial. So your answer is log base 10 n factorial. Is there any such option there? Yes, there is an option called C. Is it clear? Done. Manoj, we have done this question once, right? Try this, one of the best question in logarithms here. Progressions plus logarithms. We have done this question. Don't answer it then. Then answer this. Seconds, then what is the answer then? That's a normal easy question here. In a geometric progression, already they have given what progression is that, then automatically you have to solve it. A little bit extend it. In a geometric progression with terms t1, t2, t3 and so on, it is found that log base k t to the power of m is equal to n. And you already know, if you want to find out the last term, I mean the term a to the power of n minus 1 is the normal case. But see here log base k. So I'll write down like this: log base k t to the power of m means you need mth term, right? I can write down like this: a into r to the power of m minus 1 is nothing but equal to n. Am I right or wrong? And it is in the format of log mn. Can I write down like this: log base k a, mn means m plus n, plus it is in the format of a to the power of n, so I can write down directly m minus 1 into log base k r is equal to n. Yes, in the same format I can write down this term also. So log base k a plus n minus 1 into log base k r is equal to m. So I got two equations there. So I will subtract these two equations in order to find out my values there. At last, finally, what? Cancel this. So this becomes m minus 1 minus n minus 1 will be m minus n into log base k r is equal to n minus m. At last, finally, I can write down my log base k r as minus 1. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Substitute this minus 1 in any of these equations, then you can find out log base ak. I will substitute minus 1 here. This becomes 1 minus m. This goes to right hand side, which becomes m plus n minus 1. Am I right or wrong? So log base k a will become how much? Substitute here minus 1 ma. Minus into minus 1 will become plus 1 minus m. 1 minus m. This goes to right hand side. M plus n minus 1. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. These are the two equations that was formed. And now you are asked to find out this one, log base k t m plus n value. So can I write down this log base k into a into r to the power of m plus n minus 1. This is the question asked. Am I right or wrong? Yes. I can write down the same value as log base k a plus m plus n minus 1 into log base k r. Yes. And you already deduced the values of this. What is this value? M plus n minus 1 is the value that you have deduced there, plus m plus n minus 1 into log base k r value is how much? It is minus 1. So finally your answer will be 0. This is the answer. Log base k t m plus n. This is the answer. How many of you got the same answer there? And your option number? None of these matches. Is it clear? So your value will be 0. Done. None of these, but 0 is the answer. Nothing satisfies there. Done. Clear. Yes. So again, this is one of the best question here. They are in arithmetic progression, it seems. Let's see how many can solve this. Now geometric progression is over. Now this is an arithmetic progression. Shall I little bit extend it? I think now you can observe the things there. Yes. Try to answer this. Log base, so or shall I write down here? I'll write down here for you, for your understanding. If you, those who cannot see this, log base. There are many ways to solve this. You can substitute from the options. That is one case. Or you can do the procedure, one case. And those who know log values on fingertips can also solve this. 3 to the power of m minus 2, but this will come a quadratic equation, I think so. Log base 4 3 to the power of m minus 8 by 3. Done. Let's see how many can solve this. Is it B? Yes, Manoj gave me answer in 30 seconds here. I mean 1.5 minute. Very good. Only one person. What about where is Hemant today? Hemant is attending special classes, right? Not here. Ab dekho, see here, these three are in arithmetic progression. It seems automatically you know how to make arithmetic progression. B is equal to A plus C by 2. Right? First term plus last term divided by 2 will be arithmetic mean. If they are in this format, automatically they are in arithmetic progression only. So I'll take this as A, I'll take this as B, I'll take this as C. Okay, so देखो इधर A plus C log base 4 3 plus log base 4 3 to the power of m minus 8 by 3 is equal to 2 into log base 4 into 3 to the power of m minus 2. Is this the thing there that you have to write down? Yes. M is equal to 1, m is equal to log base 3 4 here, not base 4 3. You wrote in reverse order. So the left hand LHS is in the format of log m plus log n. I can write down this into log mn. Log base 4 3 into 3 to the power of m minus 8 by 3. I can write down like this is equal to, I can write down the same, write RHS as 3 to the power of m minus 2 whole square. So log base 4 gets cancelled. So can I write down the same format as, so see here 3 into 3 to the power of m, 3 into 3 to the power of m minus 8 is equal to, this is the format of a minus b whole square, 3 to the power of 2m plus 4 minus 4 into 3 to the power of m. Am I right or wrong? At last finally I will get an equation like this, 3 to the power of 2m. This minus 4 comes to right hand side will become plus 12. This 3 comes to right hand side will become minus, so it becomes 7 into 3 to the power of m. Am I right? Plus 12 is equal to 0. Ab dekho, I got an equation. Now I can make this into a quadratic equation. How? I will take 3 to the power of m as x. Later on I will substitute it, because to make it as very easiest thing. So my quadratic equation will become as 3 to the power of m x na x square minus 7x plus 12. Am I right or wrong? So what is the roots there? X minus 4, x minus 3 are the roots. So x is equal to 4, x is equal to 3 is nothing but the answer. Am I right? Or otherwise finally you can write down 2, because you are not asked to find out the exact values there. So in the place of x I can write down 3 to the power of m is equal to 4, 3 to the power of m is equal to 3. Ab dekho, can I convert into logarithms? Yes, log base 3 is equal to m. You are asked to find out m values, right? So m is equal to 1 here. Now here log base 3 4 is nothing but equal to m. So this is your answer. These two are your answers. Log base 3 4 here. So your answer is 2. Perfectly right. Now let's come to the next one. This is normal easy question here. I will be giving you 2 minutes, but within 2 minutes you can easily answer this. Algebra based logarithms. Let's see how many can solve this. Already I think so I have solved this question in the previous classes. I don't know how many of you know this, because those who are regular can easily know this, right? Those who are not regular, I think I cannot help it. think people got bored. Only for 20 questions you got bored. Totally how many attended the class? 20 students attended the class. That's it. Any answers, Manoj? 0.5, yes, 0.5 log 12. Little bit elaborated. If you are given with options, you might be answering this question very easily, right? This is a normal easy question, ma. अब देखो p square plus 9 square is equal to 18 pr, and you are asked to find out log p minus 3r. Now your aim is to convert the given equation into this p minus 3r format, where p is equal to 1 by r. Can I write down p into r as 1? अब देखो, see here, can I write down the given equation like this? P square plus 9r square minus 6pr is equal to 12pr. Now if I can break down the given question equation like this, yes, I can write down the equation in this format. अब देखो, this is exactly in the format of a minus b whole square. Yes, p minus 3r whole square. Am I right or wrong? P minus 3r whole square is equal to, in the place of pr I can substitute 1, this becomes 12. So finally I can add logarithms on both sides. Log p minus 3r whole square, because I want to find out log p minus 3r, is equal to log 12. Log 12 can be written as log 4 into 3. Log 4 into 3 can be written as log 4 plus log 3. Log 4 plus log 3 can be written as 2 log 2 plus 3. Am I right or wrong? 2 into log p minus 3r is equal to, can I write down this as, did you understood this? Log 2 log 2 plus log 3. Log 12 can be written as log 4 into 3, ma. Log 4 into 3 is in the format of m into n. Log m plus log n. Log 4 plus log 3. Log 4 can be written as 2 log 2. At last, finally, my answer is log p minus 3r is equal to log 2, because 2 comes on the right hand side, plus half into log 3. This is my answer. Done. Think I am clear? Yes, perfectly right. Again, Manoj, we have done this question, right? Let us see how many can answer this. This is in the format of a to the power of m plus a to the power of n. So I will show you the format here. Ab dekho, 2 to the power of m plus 2 is equal to 1 by 16. This is the question format, and I am taking this entire value as m there. So I will give you some lead there, then try to solve the remaining things. Can I write down this as 2 to the power of m is equal to into 2 square, which is nothing but equal to 1 by 16. So can I write down finally like this? 2 to the power of m is equal to 2 to, this comes to right hand side, 1 by 64 is nothing but 2 to the power of minus 6, and your m value is equal to minus 6. Yes or no? M value is equal to minus 6, and you have to find out m value there. So I got up to now. So try the remaining part. So you have to find out the m part. If you can find out m part, then automatically you will get the x value there. So for campus recruitment training, right, you have to solve these type of questions, right? Unless until you cannot expect your 10 lakh, 12 lakh, 14 lakh, 20 lakh, right? Nobody will give you that much easily. Let's do 2 more questions. Already most of the slides are over. Anybody? Manoj, answer. Now देखो, I am solving this m value here. So here I can write down the numerator log. I can write down like this numerator log x by log 9. I can write down as 2 log 3. So finally I can write down this as 1 by 2 into log 3. Numerator. So denominator, how can I write down? So denominator, let's check this. So this I can write down this as 1 by 3 into log 2 divided by log 81. 81 I can write down this as 3 to the power of 4. Yes, 3 to the power of 4. This will be 4 into log 3. So finally, can I write down this as, so this becomes 1 by 12. This 1 by 12 goes to on upper side. So this becomes 6 into, and see here log 3 gets cancelled. At last finally this becomes log base to x, which is nothing but my m value. So I can write down this as log base to x to the power of minus 6 is nothing but equal to m value. Now what is your m value? M value is nothing but equal to minus 6. Am I right or wrong? M value is nothing but equal to minus 6. That is what you have to substitute there. So can I write down like this, log base to x to the power of minus 6 is nothing but equal to minus 6. So can I convert the same things into exponents? Base is 2, power is minus 6, answer is x to the power of minus. X to the power of minus 6 is nothing but equal to 2 to the power of minus 6. Am I right or wrong? So automatically what will be the answer? X value will be equal to 1 by 2. Am I right or wrong? If I write down positive values there, x value will become 1 by 2, and merely substitute this 1 by 2 here. Oh, sorry ma, sorry. Yes, we have written it right. This is x to the power of 6, not minus 6. Yes, x to the power of 6 this is. Yes, perfectly right. So this becomes 1 by 2 only. Finally I wrote the correct value only, x 12 into 1 by 2. So your answer will be 12x is equal to how much? Is it 6? This is the answer, Manoj. So देखो, logarithms into exponents, base is 2, power is minus 6, 2 to the power of minus 6 is equal to x to the power of 6, x is equal to 1 by 2. So I can write down in the place of x 1 by 2, 12x is equal to 6, that is the answer. So it is not about the length of the question. Now if you know the logic to solve the question, right, how to smoothen this, simplify this, automatically you can easily answer the question. Done here. So all the questions were done. So I have solved most of all the questions. Right? Did I miss down any questions there? So some question, right? Remaining questions, what I will do is, I will make this into, let us check, did I miss down any question there, or otherwise I will go back to the solving those. Yes, most of the questions I have solved it here. I solved all the questions. So tomorrow I will get some more questions there. And to try to attend tomorrow's session, why tomorrow's session means tomorrow I will be taking verbal deductions. So already I took verbal connectives. In March first week I will be taking verbal ability grammar. So we have done verbal connectives, how to use conjunctions in a sentence and how to solve the questions. We have solved it. Now tomorrow we will solve verbal deductions using our Venn diagram approach, right? So tomorrow evening 5 sharp I will be solving the same questions for you. And do try to attend. If you attend this session, that will be helpful, right? Because this year every branch the same question was asked from verbal deductions. There is a question on verbal deductions, there is a question on verbal connectives, and there is a question on one grammar. We have done entire things in our class. So do try to attend it. Any doubts up to now? Any doubts up to now? No doubts, right? Chalo, let's meet with one more short video at 7:30. So I got this slide also for you. So those who want to download the notes, please join this Telegram group. I will forward the notes to this Telegram group. Those who wish. Right? And And those who are expecting ESE videos, right, I have done it completely on Creatrix on MEPA channel, right, and I'll forward the links today to the channels so you can watch those videos. That is enough, right, more than enough for the examination. And see here, Ravindra Babu Ravala sir have started ML, right, machine learning, and also C++ programming on Com Science channel. Do try to watch those videos, right, as far as for placement. So those who are for RRB SSC non-tech, right, chemistry, I mean this chemistry, economy, geography, all the science and tech, everything is done on this channel. Do watch those. So my request is, those who want to unlock free classes on Unacademy, yes, you can use my code. Those who want to buy Plus course, yes, you can use my code. Those who want to buy Iconic, yes, you can use my code. And everybody know 10% discount code is going to reduced by 5%, right? And this is the price for Plus and for 1 year, and this is the price for Iconic. Chalo yaar, let's meet with tomorrow. Hit the like button for the session, share it, and subscribe to the channel, right? Thank you.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.